now just gone 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday the 30th of April. I'm Andy and this is my allotment. A little bit to show you what's been going on since last week. Not a huge amount because I've been busy through the week. It's been year end at work, so a lot of things have been happening, but things have moved. This bed over here, some very sorry looking broad beans. I'll go around and show you them. These are the ones that got crisped in the greenhouse when I was away, but I decided to give them a go. So as you can see, they're very sorry looking things, but you can nuke the broad beans and they still come back, so hopefully these will do okay. I'm also going to plant another couple of rows behind them there, in between the currant bushes, off just from the seed, and we'll see how we do with those. First potatoes are in the ground, 6 buckets full of sarpos. I think it's Sarpo Penta, but I can't remember the name to be honest, but they're the ones that come up as first early, little new potatoes. My grandson helped me plant these. I should have had 7 buckets with 2 in, and one of the buckets should have had 3 in, but I think one of those buckets has probably got 5 in because we ran out of potatoes. So we'll see how they do, see if there's a difference between 2 in a bucket and 5 in a bucket as to how many potatoes you get out, but time will tell. One other thing we did yesterday was we worked on my grandson's bed itself. I'll go and show you that, because this is his bed now, remarkably weed free. Garlic at the front's doing quite well. There's a couple of them that have split in the ground because they've been in all year, so I might split those out and put them as individual plants. The raspberries were spreading everywhere, so now they're restrained back to their original row, and on the far side the strawberries are doing wonderful. Again, we've taken out a majority of the dead leaves from there, and one of the strawberry plants in the middle had died, so we replaced it with a good one. We had lots and lots of other runners in there. Now, my grandson's only 5, and his school are starting to do gardening club as an after school activity. So we have potted up 13 strawberries and 15 raspberry suckers. Now I'm just leaving them in the pots for now for a week to make sure that they actually survive, and then when they've actually survived and done okay, then the plan is I'm going to take them and donate them to the school gardening club, depending on how many they want. The other thing I've got to show you here is that this bucket is full of cuttings from red currant bushes from last year. I actually trimmed them off when I was taking the fruit off and stuck them in a bucket of water. And as you can see, they've all started to root. Now let's have a look. There you can see on the bottom of there, lots of roots coming out. So that's going to get planted in a bucket of soil. And if that takes, again, that's some more stuff for the gardening club, so they've got lots of soft fruit there. Anyway, very quick update today. 3 minutes. Don't think I've ever done one as short as that. And we'll leave it to it. Yeah. Yeah, we lost one of our chickens again yesterday. Came down and she was unfortunately dead in the run. Old age, it happens, chickens don't last forever. She was 4.5, so she's had a good life. And she was an ex-battery chicken before we got her. So she was a battery chicken when we got her, sorry. So this lot making lots of noise, giving us fantastic eggs. We have now got 10 chickens down here and we're getting 6-7 eggs a day, so can't complain at that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you on the next update. Bye for now.